Welcome to Ansuya Motion. Friends, today we have brought some GK questions for you all. And these questions are very important for different competitive exams. So hello friends, test your general knowledge. Question number 1. What is the full form of ISRO? The options are A. Indian Space Research Organization, B. Indian Space Record Office, C. Indian Space Research Office, and D. Indian Space Record Organization. So the right answer is option A, that is Indian Space Research Organization, which is in short called as ISRO. It is founded in the year 1969 to develop an independent space program. Its headquarters is in Bangalore in Karnataka. ISRO harnesses space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. I hope this information is very useful. Now let's move to second question. Who is popularly known as Little Master in Indian cricket? The options are A. Rahul Dravid, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. Sourav Ganguly, and D. Sunil Gavaskar. As you all know, cricket is a very popular sport in our country. So let's see the answer of second question, which is option D, Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar is known as Little Master and his other nickname is Sunny. He was a right-handed batsman and always played as opening batsman. His test debut was against West Indies and ODI debut was against England. He has played his last ODI against England and last test against Pakistan. He has scored 13,214 runs in international cricket and 25,834 runs in domestic cricket. Okay, the next question. Question number 3. Who is the author of famous novel Hamlet? The options are A. Salman Rushdie, B. Charles Dickens, C. William Shakespeare, and D. Agatha Christie. These all are very well-known authors. So let's see who has written the novel Hamlet. The right answer is option C, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Padma Bhushan Award is Gallantry Award, Bravery Award, Civilian Award, or Literary Award? So the right answer is option C, Civilian Award. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in India, preceded by Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan. This award is given for distinguished service of a high order without distinction of race, occupation, position, or sex. So it's a very important question. Now next question, question number 5. If the day before yesterday was Thursday, when would Sunday fall? So friends, this question is based on logic. So use your logic and get the answer. The options are option A, tomorrow, B, today, C, 2 days after today, and D, none of the above. So the right answer is option A, that is tomorrow. See friends, if the day before yesterday was Thursday, then yesterday it was Friday, means today it is Saturday. So Sunday will be tomorrow, isn't it? Okay. Question number 6. Who is known as father of computer? The options are A. Bill Gates, B. Charles Babbage, C. Alan Turing, and D. Einstein? The answer is option B. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was an English polymath, a mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer. He originated the concept of a digital programmable computer. So the right answer is Charles Babbage. Now let's move to question number 7. CDMA technology used in mobile phones stands for option A. Computer Developed Management Application, B. Code Division Multiple Application, C. Code Division Multiple Access, and D. Code Division Mobile Application. And the right answer is option C. Code Division Multiple Access. CDMA is actually a channel access method which is used by various radio communication technologies. So the right answer is Code Division Multiple Access. Now let's move to the next question. That is question number 8. National Consumers Day is observed on option A. December 10, option B. December 24, option C. September 10, and option D. April 24. So the right answer is option B. December 24. Every year 24th of December is observed as National Consumers Day in India to highlight importance of consumer movement as well as the need to make every consumer more aware of their rights and responsibilities. Okay, the next question is Mohini Attam is a dance form of option A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is option A. Kerala. Mohini Attam dance gets its name from the word Mohini, which is an avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. The other dance form of Kerala is Kathakali. So let's move to question number 10. Which state has the highest number of elephants in South India? The options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, and D. Tamil Nadu. So the answer of this question is option B. Karnataka. Among the South Indian states, Karnataka leads with 6,049 elephants, followed by Kerala. Question number 11. What is the full form of COVID-19? The options are A. Coronaviral disease 19, B. Coronavirus disorder 19, C. Coronavirus disease 19, and D. Coronaviral disorder 19. So friends, year 19 stands for the year 2019. Okay, the right answer is option C. Coronavirus disease 19. COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 19. As you all know, it is a pandemic. Now question number 12. The battle between Alexander and Porus took place on the bank of which river? The options are A. Satluj, B. Ravi, C. Jhelum, and D. Ganga. So, have you got the answer? The right answer is option C. Jhelum. So the battle between Alexander the Great and King Porus took place on the banks of Jhelum river. The battle resulted in a Greek victory and the surrender of Porus. Okay, now let's go to next question. That is question number 13. Which bird can fly backwards? The options are A. Pigeon, B. Arctic tern, C. Crow, and D. Hummingbird. And the answer is option D. Hummingbird. So hummingbirds are incredible flyers. These tiny birds can fly forwards and are the only known birds to fly backwards as well. Now 14th question. In the Indian Constitution, the word secularism means A. State has a religion of its own. B. State has nothing to do with religion. C. State has irreligious. D. State tolerates religion without professing any particular religion. So this is one of very important question. The answer is option D. State tolerates religion without professing any particular religion. Secularism in India thus does not mean the separation of religion from state. Instead, secularism in India means a state that supports or participates in a neutral manner in the affairs of all religious groups. I hope this information is very useful. Now, the last question is question number 15. At which one of the following towns do national highway numbers 6 and 7 cross each other? The options are A. Bhopal, B. Gwalior, C. Nagpur and D. Jhansi. The right answer is option C. Nagpur. NH6 route is from Surat to Kolkata via many cities including Nagpur, and NH7 is the major north-south national highway which runs through different states including Nagpur in Maharashtra. At Nagpur, both NH6 and NH7 crosses each other. So friends, these were 15 questions. Now there is a question for you. You are going to write down the answer in the comment box. The question is, Tiger Wood is related to option A. Polo, option B. Snooker, option C. Golf and option D. Tennis. So write down the answer in the comment box. Similarly, write down how many correct answers you have got in this today's GK quiz. Thank you.